In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the jobs on Glassdoor. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to take, and I'll share tips to make your search faster and more accurate. Start by opening Glassdoor in your web browser or on the mobile app and sign into your account. Being signed in gives you access to full job details, personalized recommendations, and the ability to save searches. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Next, use the search bar to look for roles that match your background. Type titles or keywords related to IT, such as software engineer, IT support, or data analyst. You can also add technologies or specialties to narrow things down, like Python, AWS, helpdesk, or cybersecurity. Don't forget to set your location if you're targeting a specific city, or leave it broad if you're open to remote or multiple areas. Now click Search to open the job listings page. You'll see a list of current openings and a preview of each role. Glance at the job titles, companies, locations, and any pay estimates shown. This page is where you'll spend most of your time, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Quick note before we continue. If you need the Glassdoor website or the app, I've placed a direct link to the site and the download link right at the top of the description to make it easy for you to get started. From here, use filters to refine your results so you only see roles that fit. Set a salary range that matches your expectations. Choose the job type, like full-time, contract, or internship, depending on your situation. You can also filter by company rating to focus on organizations with strong reviews. If you want to be more precise, adjust options like location radius, remote or on-site, and date posted so you're looking at fresh listings. Keep in mind salary figures can be estimates, so use them as a guide rather than a rule. With your filters applied, browse the updated results. Scroll through and open any listing that looks promising. Read the description carefully to confirm the responsibilities, required skills, and preferred qualifications match your experience. Look for tech stacks, certifications, and tools you're familiar with. Check the posted date to gauge how active the role is. Review the company's rating for cultural fit, and note any benefits or work arrangements that matter to you. As you browse, keep an eye on titles, as similar roles can appear under different names. That's it. You now know how to sign in, search, filter, and browse IT job listings on Glassdoor with confidence. The website link and app download are at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.